ThankCare-Gsm. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format Infinix Smart 7 HD x6516. Look at it, it's on pin. See? Around pin. Android version 12. See? So what you are going to do, I'm going to off it. I'm going to off it. The phone is spread wrong. Android version 12. So now what you are going to do, you are going to press power on. Then as you are pressing the power on, you hold the down volume, then immediately you hold the up volume, then you will command. After you see the Infinix logo, you will command. Now look at it. You see, I've hold the total volume. Now I'm going to make a command. I'm going to press volume together. Now look at it. Just enter. You see? So now we are going to wipe it. You see? Battery reset. You see? Format complete. Request restart. See? You wait for it to come. You wait for it to come.